A therapy treatment plan is a structured document that outlines the goals, objectives, and interventions that will be used to assist a client in achieving their desired results. This plan is usually created collaboratively by the therapist and the client and serves as a guide for therapy. It enables the client and therapist to collaborate to ensure that therapy is focused, practical, and goal-oriented. A therapy treatment plan assists the therapist in meticulously planning the course of therapy to ensure that the client's needs and goals are met. This plan helps to keep the focus on the client's objectives rather than aimless wandering in treatment. Furthermore, it assists the therapist in remaining organized, which is especially important in fast-paced clinical settings. A therapy treatment plan is typically used at the start of therapy and is reviewed and revised as needed throughout the therapeutic process. It is useful for determining the client's goals, tracking progress, and adjusting interventions as needed. People who can use our printable therapy treatment plan are therapists and counselors, mental health professionals, health coaches and wellness professionals, students and trainees in mental health fields, and individuals seeking therapy. To use our therapy treatment plan, follow these steps. Download the therapy treatment plan off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details in the assessment as shown on the screen. Next, fill out the patient's presenting problems. Describe the problems or concerns that led them to seek therapy. How long have they been experiencing these problems? Have they sought out help for these problems before? Next, fill out the goals for the therapy section. Discuss with the patient what they would like to achieve in therapy, what changes they would like to see, and what specific issues they hope to address. Next, fill out the objectives section. Discuss with the patient what their objectives are and how they will know once they have achieved their goals. There is an additional question section at the end of the worksheet, with these questions at the end to gather more information if needed. Here is a sample of our therapy treatment plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our therapy treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.